Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to use new SnapMap on Snapchat. So as you're speaking of SnapMap, they are adding a new location sharing, making it easier to catch other on the go. Plus, look out for new landmarks standing out in 3D. Also, there are new tags on the places that were buzzing last night among friends and the broader Snapchat community. So open Snapchat, open as if you want to record a new video, and click on the most bottom left icon on the screen to open new SnapMap. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description. Also, leave a like, comment and subscribe.